Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about what is going on with Bitcoin. This is an emergency video because Bitcoin is about to break out, okay? And let me show you guys. As you know, we are trading right now in this pennant here, yeah? And as of right now, we are touching the upper resistance line of this pennant, yeah? And due to all the economic situation, yeah? And what has been going on during the last days, it is much more likely that we are going to break out to the upside. So prepare your trades, and if you want to trade this breakout, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses if you use my links, okay? And let me show you the price target of this breakout. Let me show you guys. First of all, we're gonna take the pole that led us into this pattern, yeah? Let me show you. And by the way, congratulations if you're still in a long trade, since I called it out at about 20,400. And also congrats if you took some profits up here, okay, as I told you in the previous videos. So guys, let me show you the price target of this potential breakout. Prepare your trades, watch the chart. Let me show you guys. The potential price target would bring us up to, let me show you, almost 20,800, sorry guys, $28,000, 28K would be the breakout target. This is amazing. So prepare your trades, watch the chart, and once we have a confirmed breakout here, you can make a long trade, okay guys? As always, do your own research before you invest your money. But guys, this is a very, very good potential long trade, okay? Could make a lot of profit, and have to finish this fast because I have to upload it so that you can make this trade. Also follow me on Twitter. I will keep you updated there always when I see patterns like this breaking out. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.